Good morning, boys and girls. How are you? I hope you had a wonderful weekend. It's Monday. It's Monday. It's Monday. Brand new week, and I'm excited to teach you. So I hope that you've been clicking on to the video where it's just the charts, the special sound charts. The nice thing about this video is that you could click off and on and go back to the special sound chart that you like and play it as many times as you want, right? So, are you ready to learn? Remember this? Oh, I miss ringing it. So, let's go over the two special sounds from chart 11. All right, this one is J in giant, G, and this one is J in fudge, DGE. You see that? All right, so let's go over them. We're going to look over here on the board. As you can tell, there is a rule about using the J in giant G because you're going to notice that when you're saying a word that has a G, it's going to actually say the J sound when it's followed by an E, right? And it will also, the E, the I, the O, or the U will be long sound that come before the G. So for example, this word huge, do you notice that the U is a long vowel? Now let's go over here. Cage. Look, it's a long vowel, right? And let's go over to the next one. Germ. Oh, what's going on with that? Well, that's following another rule. When you say the J in giant G is because it's followed by an E. You see that? It's followed by an E. So there are two ways that you could remember that it doesn't say G, it says J. Let's take a look at the last one. Age. Do you notice that that's it's following a long vowel A sound? So again, J sound follows a long sound and is followed also by a E, an I, or a Y. That's just a quick reminder. You don't need to memorize that right now, but that is just a lesson on when it's going to say J in giant, and it's a G. It's not a G. You circle it. How do you mark the special sounds, boys and girls? Oh, you remember. Here we go. You're going to circle, 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 and circle. So anytime you're reading your book and you have a word that has a J sound, and when you read it, it doesn't make sense if you read it with a G, then boys and girls, you circle it and that's a special sound. You could still mark the vowels. For example, if this is a long vowel sound, so what are you going to do with that magic E? Shh, it's silent, right? So you cross it off. What about the E in the word cage? What do you do with that? Yes, you're right. I heard table one. You answered it correctly. So you're going to cross that off. What about the word germ? That's a tricky one, right? You're not going to follow the one vowel rule because then it will not make sense. You're not going to say germ because there's one vowel. No, you actually could I spy with your little eye another special sound. Does anybody remember what the is? Is it in bird? It's in verse, er. So this word germ actually has two special sounds, j in giant and in verse, er. Good. Did you guys get it? I think I heard table 4. All righty, great job. Now the next one is the word age. That is going to follow the long vowel. See the two vowels in a word, so that's a long vowel, first vowel. And then I already circled the G, so then the last silent E is what? You cross it off. Right. Good job, table 3. All righty. So here we go. You see that? Now we completed all the words and marking them. So let's go over them again. All of these words up here above the line is using the J in giant G special sound. Huge, cage, germ, age. You got it? Yeah, you got it. I knew you would get it quickly. So now let's go over the J in fudge DGE. Let's look and see what they say about the J in fudge DGE. Well, the D sound is actually silent. What? Well, it's silent because you don't hear it when you read words that you I spy the DGE. It does sound like the J, just like J in giant. So they're reminding you when you see a DGE in a word, you don't say the D. It's not like this. Pull, de, g, he. Wait a minute, that's silly Billy, right? You just say J. You don't say the D, right? So that would say pledge. Let's see. The D is silent, and this sound usually follows a short vowel sound. Let's see if it's true. That's a short vowel sound. So good. Check, check. Let's look at this one. J. Check, check. That's a short vowel sound. J. Oh, there's another short vowel sound. In elephant. And this last one is badge. So it's true, boys and girls. The rule is the sound usually follows a short vowel sound. But remember, I underlined the word usually because that means maybe you'll come up with a word that does have a long vowel sound in front of the DGE. But we'll worry about that later. Let's just remind ourselves that right now you're focusing on the DGE and the D is silent, so it's J sound. Okay, let's read it together. Pool, pool in plain, PL, good. And then J. So when you see a DGE, what do? You circle it. Good job. So I'm circling all of the 3 letters. Hey, you mean this one doesn't follow the silent E? Cross off silent E at the end? Did you catch that? Oh, you are so smart. You I spied with your little eye, and you knew that this E is not silent because it's not following the silent E cross it off rule. All right? Great job. So we're just circling them. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag. Right? Now let's go to this one. Burr in bride, BR. J. Bridge. Do you know I cross the bridge every day? Some of you do, right? When you cross to Coronado, it's a beautiful bridge. Okay, let's keep going. Edge, edge. So short vowel sound and then DGE. You got it. Oh, I think I heard table 2. Great job, table 2. And then the last one is badge. Badge. Circle DGE. Very good. I think I heard all of the class this time. You guys are all awake, and I'm super, super excited to be here and teach you. And I miss you so much, and I love you so much, but we're going to keep on learning, okay? Please make sure that you keep logging on to iExcel. Please make sure that you are working hard reading your books. And boys and girls, we can do this. You are on fire, and stay tuned for your math. All right? I miss you, and learn, learn, learn. Bye, guys. Have a great day.